The rose plant is a beautiful and famous flowering plant belonging to the Rosaceae family. The rose is considered one of the most famous and widespread plants in the world, known for its beautiful flowers and fragrant scent. The origin of the rose plant dates back thousands of years, where it has been used in agriculture, decoration, perfume production, and herbal medicine. The rose plant is characterized by its woody branching stems and glossy green leaves. The flowers grow on the branches and come in various colors including red, pink, white, yellow, orange, and more. The size of the flowers also varies, ranging from smaller ones that are about a few centimeters to larger ones that can reach about 20 centimeters in diameter. The fragrant scent of the rose is one of its prominent features, and the scents vary from one type to another. The perfume extracted from rose oil is used in perfume manufacturing and beauty products. Additionally, roses are also used in decoration, garden embellishment, production of corsages and floral arrangements for occasions and celebrations. There are multiple methods of propagating roses, including cultivation from seeds, division, grafting, and budding. Roses require good soil, regular watering, and appropriate lighting for growth and blooming. Taking care of roses involves pruning dead branches, removing old leaves, and providing support for long and heavy branches. Historically, the rose has been considered a symbol of beauty, love, and romance. It has been used in poetry, literature, and arts to express emotional feelings. There are numerous species and different varieties of roses, varying in sizes, colors, scents, and growth patterns. In conclusion, the rose plant is one of the most beautiful and beloved plants worldwide. It stands out with its unique beauty and fragrance, remaining a symbol of love, romance, and natural beauty. Plants are living organisms that belong to the plant kingdom and form an essential component of life on Earth. Plants are highly diverse and can be found in various environments, ranging from dense forests to barren deserts and deep oceans. Here is a summary of information about plants. 1. Function of plants. Plants play a vital role in the environment by generating oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. They contribute to climate regulation, air and water filtration, and provide shelter and food for other organisms. 2. Plant structure. Plants consist of different parts, including roots that help absorb water and nutrients from the soil, stems that provide support and internal transport of materials, leaves that perform photosynthesis and produce food for the plant, and flowers and fruits that play a role in plant reproduction. 3. Plant diversity. There are millions of different plant species in the world, ranging from towering trees to small plants and herbs. Plants vary in their shapes, sizes, colors, and ecological habitats. 4. Role of plants in food. Plants are a primary source of food for humans and animals. Crops such as grains, fruits, and vegetables are included, and plant fibers and seeds also provide important nutritional benefits. 5. Medicinal plants. Plants have been used in traditional and herbal medicine since ancient times. Some plants contain active medicinal compounds that are used in treating diseases and alleviating symptoms. 6. Plants and the environment. Plants have a significant impact on the surrounding environment. They contribute to regulating water flow, protecting soil from erosion, and providing habitat for other living organisms. 7. Plants and climate regulation. Plants play a crucial role in climate regulation by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in plant tissues, thus helping to reduce the greenhouse effect. 8. Plant reproduction. Plants reproduce through seeds, which are small structures that contain the embryo and necessary nutrients for the growth of a new plant. Plants can also reproduce through flowers, fruits, roots, and shoots. 9. Aquatic plants and the water environment. There are various aquatic plants such as algae, coral reefs, and floating aquatic plants. These plants play a significant role in water purification and provide habitats for aquatic organisms. 10. Importance of plant conservation. It is important to conserve plant diversity and protect rare and endangered plants. Nature reserves and botanical gardens are important places for plant conservation and studying plant diversity. Plants play a vital role in human life in several aspects. Here are some key roles of plants in human life. 1. Providing food. Plants are a primary source of food for humans. Crops such as grains, rice, wheat, oats, fruits, and vegetables, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, onions, etc., provide essential nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fibers, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to human health. 2. Providing fiber. Plants contain dietary fiber that plays an important role in the health of the digestive system. Plant fibers promote digestion, help prevent constipation, and reduce the risks of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and colon cancer. 3. Generating oxygen. Plants generate oxygen through the process of photosynthesis, where carbon dioxide is absorbed and oxygen is released into the air. Oxygen is essential for cellular respiration in human body cells, and without it, humans cannot survive. 4. Improving air quality. Plants act as natural air filters by absorbing harmful pollutants such as carbon dioxide, ammonia, benzene, and xylene. Additionally, plants release oxygen and contribute to improving air quality by mitigating the effects of air pollution. 5. Medicinal role. Plants have been used in herbal and traditional medicine for thousands of years. Some plants contain active medicinal compounds that can be used in treating diseases and alleviating symptoms, such as aloe vera, chamomile, and green tea. 6. Beauty and decoration. Plants are also used for cosmetic and decorative purposes. Live plants and flowers add beauty and colors to homes, gardens, and offices, enhancing a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere. Plants are also used in the fragrance industry, cosmetics, and decoration for special occasions. These are some key roles of plants in human life. The presence of plants is essential for maintaining the health of the environment and humans. Therefore, it is important to care for plants and conserve biodiversity to ensure the continuity of their benefits. Of course, there are many plants that can be used to improve air quality in homes, offices, and other indoor spaces. Here are some examples. 1. Snake plant. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is a popular plant for air purification. It helps remove harmful substances like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air. Snake plants thrive in moderate light conditions and require moderate watering. 2. Boston fern, also known as turtleback fern. It is a foliage plant that absorbs formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, and ammonia from the air. It can be placed in brightly lit areas and requires moderate watering. 3. Air palm, also known as the air care plant. It is a unique plant that works on removing formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, and ammonia from the air. It can be hung in moderately lit areas and requires irregular watering. 4. Aloe vera, also known as aloe. It is a succulent plant that is effective in air purification. It helps remove formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. It requires bright light and moderate watering. 5. Rosaceae. Rosaceae is a beautiful and unique plant that helps improve air quality. It removes formaldehyde, ammonia, and xylene from the air. It requires bright light and moderate watering. These are some examples of plants that can be used to improve air quality in indoor spaces. It should be noted that the actual impact of plants on air quality depends on factors such as the size of the space, the number of plants, and current pollution levels. Yes, you can also use the plants I mentioned in indoor gardens. In fact, indoor gardens and decorative plants inside homes, offices, and commercial spaces are becoming increasingly popular in interior design. Adding live plants to indoor gardens not only enhances aesthetics but also provides health benefits and improves the indoor environment. When selecting plants for indoor gardens, it's important to consider factors such as available lighting levels, humidity, and temperature. Plant requirements may vary in terms of these factors, so you should choose plants that are suitable for your specific indoor garden conditions. For example, plants like the snake plant, Boston fern, and air palm can be placed in indoor gardens that receive moderate lighting, such as bright windows. Regular watering should be provided for these plants, and soil moisture levels should be monitored. As for aloe vera and Rosaceae, it may be best to place them in spaces with bright lighting and good ventilation. It's also important to pay attention to the size of the plants and general care requirements for each type. Some plants may require regular pruning or additional fertilization to maintain their health in indoor gardens. In general, you can choose plants that you like and that are suitable for your indoor garden conditions. Adding plants will bring beauty and vitality to indoor gardens and improve air quality in enclosed spaces. Of course. Here are some tips for taking care of plants in indoor gardens. 1. Provide proper lighting. Most plants require sufficient light for healthy growth. Place the plants near bright windows where they can receive direct sunlight for some time during the day. If lighting is inadequate, you can use artificial grow lights to supplement the light. 2. Regular watering. Water the plants regularly and make sure not to overwater or let them dry out excessively. Ensure that the soil is moist but not overly wet. You can use saucers or drainage trays to control excess water drainage. 3. Provide humidity. Proper humidity is important for plants in indoor gardens. You can use humidifiers or place the plants near water-filled trays to increase humidity. 4. Feed the plants. Use specialized plant fertilizers to feed the plants regularly. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package to determine the appropriate concentration and timing of application. 5. Pruning and trimming. Trim the plants regularly to maintain their shape and attractive appearance. Remove dead or damaged leaves and trim long branches to encourage new growth. 6. Monitor for pests. Check the plants regularly to ensure there are no pests present. If you notice pests such as insects, you can use natural plant sprays or insecticidal soap to get rid of them. 7. Pay attention to the soil. Use soil that is rich in organic matter and has good drainage. Change the soil or add materials that help retain moisture and are suitable for plant growth. 8. Provide ventilation. Ensure good ventilation in indoor gardens to avoid excessive moisture buildup and associated diseases. Open windows occasionally to allow air circulation, and avoid placing plants in stagnant air areas. 9. Study plant needs. Study the requirements of each type of plant in your indoor garden. Learn about lighting, temperature, humidity, watering, and any other specific care needs. This will help you provide appropriate care and better meet the plant's requirements. By following these tips, you'll be able to enjoy green and beautiful indoor gardens and keep the plants healthy.